Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I will be telling you about the SQL function those starts with C. The first function that I will be talking, the cardinality. Cardinality function is used to count the number of arrays. I will be giving you the example here. First, I will create a table where I will have the value which is the array type. Let me execute the table. I will be now entering the data into this table array. So two entries are inserted here. One is with 456, the number of count is 3, and the other insert number of count is 5. So if I execute this statement, cardinality and value, the value is my array. So let me just execute this. You can see the answer 3 and 5. So as I said, so it will count the number of items into the array. Now going to the next function is the cast. Cast function is used to convert the type into your recommended or your preferred data type. Like here I want to convert this into integer. You can convert into inverter, into character. So as per your requirement you can convert it. So here if I give as integer, let me just execute this. So it will not consider this decimal value because I am actually converting into integer. That's why it will be showing 110, 101. Going to the next function, that is cell, CEIL. Selling is used to provide the next value. Like if I give you 20.5, so it will show 21. Yes, so next higher value it will show. Or if you don't give, if there is no point, I mean if you give 20, then it will show 20 only. Let me execute this. So it will show the just the next value, next, like if I give 20.1, so in this case also it will show 21, like this. Now going to the next one, the car, say AR. This function provides the ASCII value for, suppose here I have given 81. So if I execute this statement, so it will show the ASCII value for 81, that is the Q. Similar to that, you can put other number here. So it will provide the ASCII number, ASCII value for 65, that is A. Now going to the next one, the concat. It is very common to everyone. Concat, it just combines the strings. So here SAP learning, so it will just combine SAP learning. Now interesting part is the next function, concat underscore NAZ. In this function, it will not consider the null value. Suppose you have two values in your string. One is A, suppose this is a value, and the next one is a null. So if you execute this value concatenaz, then it will show only A, so it will not show the null that you have. Now coming to the last one is the UTC current UTC date. So it will show the only the UTC, means the universal time, and date, that will show here. So here is this is the UTC date. Similar to the UTC date, you have UTC time, UTC timestamp, that you can use it. And also we have current date, that will show current date, current time, and also you have current timestamp. So these are the few function. Those are the starts with current, that also you can use it in your tasks. That's all about this tutorial, and it is only for the function those starts with C. In the next tutorial I will come up with that the function with D and E, like that. That's all about this tutorial, and please look into the other tutorials. I've given the links in the below description. Thank you for watching.